Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. So today's video, they put my address like in 6 spots. Like really? This is kind of late, but I wanted to do the video anyway. Okay, so this is another hair and body thing. The last one was more hair. So this is from COCOTIQUE. This is Hawaiian Silky collection, triple butter. Woo, that sounds nice. I should open this sooner. I thought it was something else, that's why I didn't open it. So let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, it smells good in here. I remember Hawaiian Silky. I used some of this stuff when I was in high school, babe. I remember them. Ooh, I didn't know they were still doing stuff. Okay, so if you go to the beauty supply store, you probably see these, and that's the only place you really see them, because you don't see them in no grocery store. So this is what is for the month. Okay, so I'm going to read this way so I can actually understand what it says. Hawaiian Silky collection, triple butter, curl whip foamy mousse. You got triple butter, curling buttercream. You got triple butter hair butter. You got Miracle Worker 14-in-1. And you got gel activator. Oh, okay, you got discount for a special buy one get one free. Use code COCOTIQUE, okay? So anybody who wants to do it, that's the code. So you buy any other triple butter hydrate and define products and get another triple butter product free. You got till September 30th till December 31st. See right there? Yeah, that right there. Okay, so let's go over the prices. So which one is this? This is the 14-in-1 Miracle. You get 2 of them. They each are 2 ounces. No drip activator. I'm not using no activator. It moisturizes hair, define curls, soften hair, adds shine, soothes dry skin, reduce breakage, strengthens for healthy weaves and braids, repair chemically damaged hair, non-greasy detangles, increase body thermal protection, and helps relieve burning sensation. I'm sorry, this is hilarious to me. I'm not doing no activator. I don't know. So you got 12 months on the bottle. They're from Chicago. Okay. I'm just looking at the ingredients. So anybody who's like an ingredients person like me, that's the best I could do for the camera. Okay, good. So maybe you want to screenshot that right there, and then screenshot this right here so you can see what the ingredients are. So you put in your hands, rub a small amount, daily use on relaxed hair or straight hair prior to drying. Alright, you got 2 of those, and the full size is $6.15. So right here we have the triple butter mango. Oh, hold up, forgot to smell it. Oh, she got to smell it with me. I'm sorry. It got that chemical smell to it. It kind of smelled like that one medicine I take when I was younger. Hold up, it kind of smells like Pepto-Bismol. Is that what it is? Yep, it smells like Pepto-Bismol. You remember what that smell like, babe?
Chalk.
I think this is it. All that other stuff I had to take when I was sick, and oh my gosh. Okay, so it's mango. Wait. You got. I can't.
Mermaid.
No, it ain't mermaid. It's not mermaid. Okay, hold on. Muru. I'm horrible. I'm sorry. Oh, Maru. Is this like a tongue twister? Mumamaru, and Shea Butter. So anybody know how to pronounce this? Can you guys please like spell it out for me? Like how it's pronounced, so I know. So hydrate and define curl whip foamy mousse. I'm pretty sure you can use this on wavy hair too. And Kiki coily, it don't have to be curl whip. Okay, I'm gonna just a tiny bit. I want to see what it smells like, because I'm not smelling nothing. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, okay, so basically it's a seed. You see? It's a seed, y'all. Got the mango butter, shea butter. I love mango and shea butter. So yeah. This one does have perfume in it. Made in the US. It's cruelty free. That's a plus. I don't like the perfume though. So, but hey. Ooh. Okay, so that one is the 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. So this is $6.99. That's how much that is. So what is this? The gel activator. This is activator too. Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh, so I forgot to tell you about this one. It says it's on hair, natural hair. It's non-greasy, doesn't stain, and it softens the tangled hair while soothing the scalp and healing abrasions, leaving a vibrant sheen. And this one, it says it nourishes and defines curls, leaving them soft, shiny, and frizzy free. It enhances the curl memory and can be used as in wash and go style or create styles with rollers. So it can be used for rollers too. So you know, your hair does not have to be curly. It really don't. This be on straight hair too. It's mousse. Do what you want with it. Alright, the gel activator. The full size, which is this is $5.99. Moisturize and proteins to soften and condition hair with no messy buildup. It's recommended for chemically treated hair as well as natural hair in waves. Alright. Let's open this, see how it smells. Smell vision. It smells like gel. So it got glycerin, of course. Ugh, still got on my lip. So this has parabens in it. Not a big fan of those. Not a big fan at all. Okay, so next we have the hair butter. It's hydrate and defines hair butter for dry, curly, coily hair. You can't just put this for dry, curly, coily hair and it just says that you're using on straight hair. I'm just saying. That's just how I feel. And the hair butter, 4 ounce, which is this is $8.99. It infuses the strands and it hydrates it instantly and softens the hair. It seals in moisture, prevents dryness, and protects hair from breakage, prevents flyaways, and healthy looking shine. So this, I don't know if I would recommend on straight hair. Oh, it smells good. It said use a small amount and allow it to melt in your hands. Apply to dry over hair. Do not use near open flame or fire sparks. Okay. So it's shea butter, soybean oil, jojoba seed oil, sunflower seed wax, mango butter, that one seed butter, vitamin E, and perfume. Let's see. Get some in my hands. Oh, I like that. Like, can't you use it on your body too? That's what I feel like. Okay, so the last one. Oops, that's still following me. Okay, you gotta warm it up in your hands because it's shea butter. It's a seed oil. It solidifies. Okay, so last but not least, this is the last but not least. This is the curling buttercream, and that retails at full size 12 ounces. That's what mine is. Yep. Retails for $7.99. Okay. So I got sweet almond oil, water, some alcohol stuff, some more alcohol stuff, shea butter, mango butter, that one seed butter, perfume, and some other stuff. No drying alcohol. That's what it says. No drying alcohol. So let's open this one up. Okay. I hurt my hand at work, so it's hard to open. Oh, let me smell this. It's like a light smell. I love the light smells. I don't want it to be too dramatic on your hair. I like this a lot. Okay, y'all, that's about everything. So you have the curling buttercream, you have the hair butter, you have the gel activator, you have the mousse, and then you have the other activator. This is the liquid activator, gel activator. Alright, y'all, these boxes, I'm gonna tell you, they're $25 each, free shipping. You could do a monthly subscription. The 3-month subscription, that's you get a percentage off, so you're paying like $45 or $44. And for the 6 months, I think you're paying like $69 or $70. So yeah, I think I'm about to go back to the 3-month because you're saving so much more money. You're saving like $15, $20, something like that. Don't quote me. Alright, you guys, I will catch you next time.